This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2021 Bobcat T66 skid steer. It is an R2 series with a 74 horsepower diesel engine. It has 3,500 hours. This unit has a 2,450 pound operating capacity, a hydraulic attachment coupler, Bobcat joystick controls, and H-pattern controls. It has heat and AC, and a suspension seat. It is 2-speed and has the deluxe 8-inch panel with backup camera. It has auxiliary hydraulics, standard flow. The tracks are brand new and it comes with a bucket. This unit is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. It fires right up, no smoke or apparent leaks. It's a great unit with lots of power to do the job. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com